Hey guys, take a look at the Ninja SP101 digital air fry oven. It's a countertop model. It's a pretty nice setup. It's got a big air fry basket, and then you've got a little roasting pan that goes underneath. You can put some, your stuff gets a little drippy. You got that there. And then you can cook in the roasting pan separately. We'll use them together. It's also got a little rack that goes in there. The fry pan, roasting pan fits in there all together. It's a compact little unit. When you're ready to store, you can flip it up out of the way. It's got a little handy deal, keeps it up out of your, saves a little countertop space, I guess is not closet space. You're not gonna put that in the closet. Countertop space. A little clean out rack underneath, the crumb tray. Very nice setup there. Pop it back down. Ooh, noisy. Let's look at the back. The cord stores out of the way. So when you flip it up, you've got a little cord storage out of your way. Keeps it tied together if you want to leave it plugged in and roll it up. Let's take a look at our setting options we have here. You use the little twister handle here, and you can scroll through your settings. You got air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, toast, bagel, and that's your settings. And then you can adjust your temperatures here and your timer. You want 3 minutes at 360 or 3 minutes at it looks like 3. Hold on, where are we going? There we 400, 440, 450. Set them and forget them, right? Then you hit your start button for your preheat, and you're good to go. It's got a light, it's hard to see down there, but it comes on. Let's see what we got in there. Here's our light button. Slow start light, nice. So there you go, that's the control panel for your Ninja SP101 digital air fryer. All right, thanks for watching.